Thank you for tuning in to another edition of our toy review. This time we feature yung Optimus Prime na untransformable, but in fairness, maganda ang points of articulation as usual. Specialty na ng Hasbro yan ngayon. Thanks to Gundam. Yung influence ng mga Transformers ngayon na nabibili ng mga kids or mga nabibili sa department store or sa SM. Unlike before, way back 1980s, hindi ganyan ng Transformers. But anyways, as I've mentioned, hindi nata-transform to. So, ang strong points niya is good posable features. So, maganda mga points of articulation niya. Like for this one, first of all, the arms. Okay. Torso. Head, of course. Yan. And the legs, as well as the feet. See? Of course, some of you may ask. Actually, personally, hindi ko alam kung anong series to or kung anong version to, kung Revenge of the Fallen ba to o yung first movie. Kasi ayon sa may-ari nito, nabili niya lang to sa toy convention for 150. Actually, loose figure to eh. But, meron naman tayong Hasbro sign dito, which is 2006. Medyo nakakalito kasi ang first movie ng Transformers is 2007 eh. And ganun din naman ang Revenge of the Fallen. Lumabas siya 2009. So, basically, maganda siya. Maganda yung paint niya. Yan. Konting kapintasan lang yung ulo. Masdan ng ulo. Masdan ng mukha niya. Mukhang malnourished. Kulang sa nutrisyon. And of course, yung back niya is okay naman. Maganda naman. Maganda naman siya. Okay, so this concludes our toy review for tonight. Have a nice evening. Good night.